If you're a complete beginner and wondering, how the heck do I start coding, then this video is made just for you. I'm going to break it down step by step, no tech jargon, no complicated terms, just a clear roadmap to get you started today. So grab a notebook and let's jump right into it. Understand what coding is. Before you learn how to code, you need to understand what coding really is. Coding is simply the language you use to talk to computers. It's how you give them instructions to do what you want, whether that's making a website, an app, a game, or even an AI. You don't need to be a genius. You just need patience and curiosity. Choose one programming language. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn too many languages at once. Start with one beginner-friendly language. Python is great for beginners, easy to read, and used in AI, data science, and automation. JavaScript is a solid choice if you want to build websites. If you're super new or very young, start with Scratch, a visual coding language. Pick one, stick with it. Master the basics. Use interactive platforms. Don't jump straight into thick textbooks. Use websites like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, W3 Schools, or Coursera. These guide you through writing your first code step by step, and trust me, seeing your code actually work is a game changer. Practice is the real teacher. Build tiny projects. Once you get the basics down, don't just keep learning passively. Start building small projects. A calculator, a to-do list, a personal portfolio website, or a guessing game. Real learning happens when you build. Learning to code is like learning a new language. You learn faster by speaking it, not just reading it. Use Google as your best friend. Every coder, even professionals, Googles stuff every day. You don't need to memorize everything, just know how to find solutions. Use Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub to explore answers and learn from others. Debugging is learning. Don't be afraid to fail. Join a coding community. Join a community. Don't learn alone. Join coding communities on Discord, Reddit, or Facebook. Follow tech creators on YouTube or Twitter. Ask questions. Share your work. Learning in public makes you stay consistent. You'll find people who are on the same journey as you. Make a realistic learning schedule. Make a learning schedule. Coding isn't about 10-hour marathons. It's about consistency. Even 30 minutes a day is enough. If you stick with it, make a realistic schedule and treat it like brushing your teeth. Non-negotiable. Tiny habits build big results. So here's your beginner roadmap to learn coding. Understand what coding is. Choose one language. Use interactive platforms. Build small projects. Google everything. Join a community and be consistent. That's it. No fancy degree required. Just start and don't give up. Drop a comment below telling me which language you want to start with, and I'll reply with some free resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell if you found this helpful. More beginner-friendly tech videos coming up.